In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean visual way to scan your project and instantly understand what needs attention, all powered by a simple custom field. Start on your Asana home screen. From here, open the sidebar in the upper left. If it's collapsed, click to expand it, then click again to make sure you can fully see your projects. Next, select the project where you want color coding to appear. This is important because we're going to add a field to this specific project. Inside the project, look to the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel where you can control views, rules, and fields. Choose Fields. Now click Create New to add a new custom field that will drive the colors on your tasks. Give your field a clear name. Priority is a great choice because it's intuitive and works well with color. After naming the field, add your options. Create your first option, then add a second and a third, so you have a simple set like high, medium, and low. Asana typically assigns colors to these options automatically, and you can adjust them if needed so the colors match your team's conventions. When everything looks good, click Create Field to add it to your project. Now let's put it to work. In your task list, you'll see the new field as a column. On a task, click the dash in that column to set a value and choose high priority. Do the same on another task and select medium priority. Apply low priority on a third task. You'll notice each selection adds a colored chip right in the list, making it easier to spot what's urgent versus what can wait. To amplify the effect, turn on highlight. This setting visually emphasizes tasks by the custom field you just created, so colors stand out across your list or board. With highlight enabled, your high tasks will immediately draw the eye, medium will sit comfortably in the middle, and low will stay visible without competing for attention. A few quick tips as you finalize this setup. Keep your option names short and unambiguous. Stick with a consistent color logic across projects and avoid creating too many options, which can dilute the visual signal. If your team works across multiple projects, consider using the same field name and colors for familiarity and faster scanning. That's it. Your Asana tasks are now color-coded and easier to manage at a glance.